In today's video, I'll teach you how to fix I can't comment on Facebook post. So if you're not being able to comment on Facebook post, there might be various reasons behind it. This usually happens due to some glitches. You can see over here right now I'm being able to comment on the Facebook post. So if you're not being able to do it, what you can do is simply try updating the application. For that, launch open Play Store on your device. You can see over here Play Store has been opened. Tap on the search icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Tap on the search bar that you can see at the top. Now what you have to do is search for Facebook. You'll be able to see the results over here. Find this application for Facebook and tap on it. Now tap on this option update that you can see on the screen. Now once you do that, Facebook will be updated and the glitches will be fixed and your problem should also be fixed. If your problem is still not fixed, what you can do is simply try clearing the cache and data. For that, what you have to do is launch open app library of your device, find the application for Facebook and long press on it. Now tap on this option app info that you can see on the screen. Now you'll be led to the app info interface. Tap on this option storage and cache that you can see on the screen. Now over here you can see two options, manage space, clear cache. Tap on this option clear cache that you can see on the screen. Now once the cache has been cleared, your problem should be solved. If your problem is still not solved, what you can do is tap on this option manage space and clear the data too. After you do that, your problem will be fixed. If your problem is still not fixed, make sure you're connected to a stable network. Sometimes you might not be able to comment due to the network connection too, so make sure you're connected to a stable internet or mobile data. After you do that, your problem should be solved. So these are basically the ways to fix your problem. If your problem is still not fixed, the problem is likely that your account has been restricted. So make sure your account is not restricted. If you have the temporary bans, you might be restricted from commenting. So simply wait for the ban to be uplifted and your problem will be fixed. So that is how you fix I can't comment on Facebook post. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.